हेलो फ्रेंड, आप सब सामने एक नया वीडियो स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द आइटम साइंस चैप्टर 4। अगर आप सबको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए। आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला नंबर इंट्रोडक्शन। जॉन डाल्टन कंसीडर्ड आइटम टू बी एन इंडिविजुअल एंटिटी बट हिज कॉन्सेप्ट हैड टू बी डिस्कार्डेड एट द एंड ऑफ 19th century when scientists through experiments were able to find existence of charged electron and protons and neutrons in the atom. These particles are called subatomic particles. Discovery of electrons cathode rays by J.J. Thomson in 1897. He carried a cathode ray experiment in which observed a stream of negatively charged particles coming out of cathode towards the anode. These particles were named as electrons. Facts about electrons. Charge on electron minus 1.6 multiplied 10 raised to minus 19 C Coulomb. Mass of electron 9.1 multiplied 10 raised to minus 31 kg. Discovery of protons. Anode canal rays by E. Goldstein in 1886. E. Goldstein, by his famous anode or canal rays experiment, was able to detect presence of positively charged particles called protons in the atom. Facts about protons. Charge on proton plus 1.6 multiplied 10 raised to minus 19 C. Mass of proton 1.673 multiplied 10 raised to minus 24 gram. Mass of proton equal to 1814 mass of electron. अगला पेज देखते हैं। Discovery of neutrons by J. Chadwick in 1932. James Chadwick bombarded lighter elements like lithium, boron, etc. with alpha particles and observed emission of new particles having zero charge but having mass equal to that of proton. Neutron is present in the nucleus of all the atoms. Thomas model of an atom in 1897. This model is often called the watermelon model, plum pudding model, and apple pie model. In this model, Thomson predicted the presence of electrons inside positive sphere made of protons, just same as seeds of watermelon are embedded in red edible part of watermelon. Thomas model of an atom structure. Although this model explained neutrality atom but could not able to explain other scientific experiment conducted on atom, hence it was discarded. Rutherford's atomic model in 1908. This was based on an experiment in which alpha particles were bombarded on a thin gold foil. Observation of Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment are: most of the alpha particles pass through gold foil undeflected. Some of the alpha particles deflected by foil by small angles. 1 out of very 12,000 particles appears to rebound. Conclusion made by Rutherford. Atom consists of predominantly empty space as most of alpha particles pass through gold foil undeflected. Atom contains centrally placed positively charged nucleus because few alpha particles suffer deflected and very few 1 in 12,000 bounced back. Since a minute fraction of alpha particles suffer deflections and very few bounced back, this led to conclusion that most the space an atom is empty and the space occupied by nucleus is negligible compared to this empty space. Size of nucleus was able 10 raised to minus 16 times that size of atom. Whole of the atomic mass concentrated in the nucleus. Fathers of Rutherford's proposed model of atom. Feature of Rutherford proposed model of atom. There is a positive placed nucleus in an atom. Nearly all the mass resides in nucleus, proton plus neutron. Size of nucleus is very small compared to the size of atom. पेज देखते हैं। Electrons revolve around the nucleus in the circular path. Drawback of Rutherford's model of the atom. According to Rutherford's model, electron revolves around the positive charged nucleus, which is not expected to be stable, but a charged particle in an accelerated motion along a circular path would continuously undergo loss of energy and finally would fall into nucleus. This makes an atom unstable while atoms are quite stable. This was the major drawback of Rutherford, which was unexplained by him. Bohr's model of atom in 1913. Only certain special orbits known as discrete orbits of electrons are allowed inside the atom. While revolving in discrete orbits, the electrons do not radiate energy. Energy is emitted or absorbed by an atom only when an electron moves from orbit to another. A few energy level on atom. While nucleus, K cell, L, M, N. Distribution of electrons in various cells. The distribution of electrons in various cells is done in According to Bohr-Barry-Sim, the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in any image level is given by 2n square where n बराबर 1 2 3 4 for k lmn. The maximum number of electrons in the outermost orbit will be 8 electrons even if it has capacity to accommodate more electrons. Example Ca20. The electron distribution will be पहले में k में 2, l में 8, m में 8, n में 2. The outermost shell cannot hold more than 2 electrons and the penultimate shell cannot hold more than 8 electrons unless the preceding inner shell antepenultimate shell is filled completely obeying to n square rule. Some example K19 2881 Aluminium 13 283 Fe9 27 and E10 28 Na11 281. Valence shell and valence electrons. From Barry-Sim we know that maximum number of electrons which can be accommodated in outermost shell is 8. Every element has an urge to have 8 electrons in its outermost shell. In achieving 8 electrons, an atom can neither gain electrons or lose electrons. देखते हैं. The number of electrons lost or gained by an element in achieving 8 electrons in its outermost shell will be called its valence. Valence electrons. The electron in the outermost shell of an atom are known as valence electrons. These electrons determine valency of an atom. Valency is the combining capacity of an atom, their tendency to react and form molecules with atoms of the same or different elements. For the atoms having valence electron less than or equal to 4, valency is same as that of the number of valence electrons in that atom. For example, valency of magnesium 282, valence बराबर 2. The number of valence electrons exceed 4, then valency 8 minus number of valence electrons 2 6, 8 minus 6 are 2. Valency of items with 8 valence electrons is 0 as they have fully filled valence shell and cannot gain or lose electrons to form molecules or compounds. Atomic number Z. Atomic number of an element is equal to the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. Since an atom is electrically neutral, thus number of protons and number of electrons are equal. Therefore, atomic number बराबर number of protons बराबर number of electrons. Mass number A. The total number of the protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is called mass number. It is denoted by A. The protons and neutrons together are called nucleon. The atomic number, mass number and symbol of the element are to be written as mass number, symbol of element, atomic number. A X Z. For example, nitrogen is written as 14/7 and example, calculate the number of protons, electrons and neutrons for 17 atomic number. Chlorine 35 mass number are 35 17 chlorine. Since chlorine is neutral, number of electrons बराबर number of protons बराबर 70 mass number of chlorine 35 number of proton neutrons बराबर 35 minus 17 80. Isotopes. Atoms of the same element having a same atomic number but different mass number are known as isotopes. For example, carbon 12/6 C and 14/6 C. देखिए इसमें मास नंबर डिफरेंट है मास नंबर और उसके बाद एटॉमिक नंबर सेम है. क्लोरीन 13/17 chlorine and 36/17 chlorine. Uses of isotopes. An isotope of uranium is used as a fuel in nuclear reactor. Isotopes of cobalt is used in the treatment of cancer. An isotope of iodine is used in the treatment of goitre. Isobars. Isobars are the atoms of those elements which have the same mass number but different atomic number are called isobars. Example 20 Ca14 18 argon 40 have same mass number and different atomic number. देखिए मास नंबर सेम है और डिफरेंट है. एक एग्जाम्पल देख लीजिए 11 Na24 and 12 मैग्नीशियम 24 अदर एग्जाम्पल. अगर आप सबको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक से सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा. धन्यवाद. अगले वीडियो में मिलते हैं.